Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms in this video. We will be focusing on how to simplify the expression x squared plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3 to its lowest terms. Follow along with our step-by-step instructions to gain a better understanding of this process. Let's get started. In step 1, we start by factoring the numerator of the rational expression x squared plus 7x plus 12. The goal is to find two binomials that multiply to produce the quadratic expression x squared plus 7x plus 12. We look for two numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to 7. These numbers are 3 and 4. Therefore, we can rewrite the quadratic expression as x plus 3 times x plus 4. The expression now looks like x plus 3 times x plus 4, all divided by x plus 3. In step 2, we notice that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor of x plus 3. This means that we can cancel out the x plus 3 term in both the numerator and the denominator. By canceling the common factor, the expression simplifies to x plus 4. This is the final step. The rational expression x squared plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3 reduces to x plus 4.